Hi guys, welcome to another DIY session of my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a DIY windscreen filter for your smartphones or for your mic. Well, we all have a smartphone lying around, or we all use smartphones, and right now I'm using my smartphone to record my voice for this video, and which I'm going to later on sync with my original background voice on this DSLR, which is Canon's 600D, I guess. And I have few scrap pieces of furry stuff like this fabric, which is also used in professional dead cat windscreen filters. So this basically helps reduce the noise if you already know about the dead cat stuff. So I'm going to create this dead cat stuff from the scrap pieces, and I will show you all the process, which will be very quickly without the sound but with the music. So I'm going to use this furry stuff to create a clothing, like which will cover the pouch, like which will cover all the smartphone. I mean, mic is here and here. So as you can see, this is a very old smartphone. It's Samsung Galaxy S2, 3 or 5 year old. Anyways, now I'm not going to waste your time, and as you can see on my this side, this is a professional dead cat windscreen filters, usually costing like minimum 50 or something dollars. So this will be like $1 or something. I will show you all process. These are the scrap pieces. Okay, and see, these are block scrap pieces. So I'm going to sew them together and then create a final pouch to put the smartphone in it. Or you can also use that as a to cover up your mics and something like that. So enjoy. with dead cat windscreen and without dead cat windscreen filter. So you can get the comparison, like what kind of sound you basically get with the filter and without the filter on a smartphone. Okay, so bye. Make sure to subscribe to channel. Hi guys, this is the test with background noise and without the dead cat fur, where you can hear too much background noise. And in few seconds I will put this my smartphone in the dead cat pouch, and then you will get the idea how much noise it basically reduces. So guys, now there is no background noise, I hope, as this is in the dead cat a noise filter and air wind filter. So I hope this $50 $50 dead cat wind filter windscreen is working well. So if you guys liked and enjoyed this tutorial video, make sure to subscribe my channel and share this video, and see you in another video. So bye bye. So this is the red cat. I hope you enjoy it. It can also be used as a totally love it. It's so smooth. Nothing like a teddy bear is, giving me a massage. Okay.